I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic gummy bears. First, gather your high-quality organic ingredients to ensure the best flavor and texture. We will cover the simple steps from preparation to setting, making it easy for you to create delicious, healthier treats at home. Preparing your molds and workspace beforehand will make the entire process smooth and enjoyable. Get ready to make some delightful organic gummy bears. To begin, combine 1/2 cup of your favorite organic fruit juice with 2 tablespoons of organic gelatin in a small saucepan. It is crucial to use 100% pure fruit juice without any added sugars or artificial ingredients for the best organic result. Whisk these ingredients together until the gelatin is fully dissolved. Make sure your silicone gummy bear molds are clean and ready on a flat, stable surface. Now gently heat your mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until it becomes fully liquid and smooth. It is important not to let it boil. Aim for a temperature around 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Once smooth, stir in 1 tablespoon of organic honey or maple syrup for natural sweetness. For an extra burst of flavor, add 1 teaspoon of organic lemon juice, which brightens the fruit notes beautifully. With your mixture ready, carefully pour the warm liquid into each cavity of your prepared silicone gummy molds. Take your time to fill them completely, but be careful not to overfill to avoid any spills. Once all the molds are filled, transfer them to the refrigerator. Let them chill for at least 30 minutes, or until the gummy bears are completely firm. Finally, store your delicious organic gummy bears in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.